Selikat, Siwani Sivet, Sikalumshi, Siwani Sivet, Sinawap, Siwawuliwe. Ay yo 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 yo.
We are outside the Coronation Hall High School. Today was really the first full school day that they have, and we came to meet with the deputy principal, Miss Constable. The principal has retired last year. This is a school which is in a difficult community. The area of Coronation Hall has got many social problems, issues of drugs, there are issues of low employment and therefore low income. It is a non-fee paying school, which means that it is almost entirely, except for a small registration fee for grade 8s, entirely dependent on the Gauteng Department of Education. They do face problems in terms of infrastructure. They're also behind on their water and electricity bills, and there have been problems that payments from the Gauteng Department of Education for water and electricity, unfortunately because of the debit order system, went off on other issues. So one of the issues that we have identified is that they potentially could have water and electricity cut because of outstanding bills, and we would certainly intervene on that issue. But we've also been assured that the next installment of funds from the Gauteng Department of Education will be dedicated to settle these bills on electricity and water. There are 750 roughly students at this school, of 26 teachers. The teacher contingent is not entirely competent in the sense that they do need a teacher for issues of maths and science, and also an Afrikaans teacher at grade 8. At the same time, I think we should say that we got a very good rapport from the deputy principal, and the deputy principal spoke openly to us about the problems that they are faced with. As I've said, this community is a community where there's many social problems, and therefore those problems also spill over into the school. There are issues of drugs, there are issues of gangsterism. Last year, there was a grade 8 pupil that was shot dead here at the school, and there were allegations of gangsterism having been involved in all of that. But overall, at least we can say that the school has got its stationery and school books. The classrooms look as if they are not entirely overcrowded, although there is a bit of an overcrowding problem. As far as facilities are concerned, there are problems with toilets that are neglected, that are not fixed because resources were not available. There's also a problem on the top floor of the school where ceilings are collapsing. And we just come now from going to the back of the school where there's a sewage pipe leaking, and we've taken some photos which will be placed in the report. Overall, this school needs assistance from the Gauteng Department of Education, and we certainly, as the economic freedom fighters, will try our best to be also of assistance to the school. We must express our concern about security. They have at the moment a team of security people who are here simply on a stipend as part of the community. It is not properly formalized. The Department of Education has promised that it will send 2 securities by the end of January, because this arrangement with the community and the stipend that is being paid